Greetings and welcome. This is Zach with Referrizer, and today we're going to be talking about setting you up for success with email campaigns, how to create them, how to launch them, how to use pre-made templates, how to create your own, and everything in between. Let's go to campaigns, and let's say that we want to create a regular campaign from scratch, sending out something to a targeted group of people. We're going to go ahead and select email, and we're going to give our campaign the name test, right? This is not going to be visible to your clients. It's only for your own reference. Hit next here. Up top, we can select the recipients immediately. We can punch in the subject, testing subject, and we're going to put in the first name. The first name and the last name variables are available to you as well as emojis, right? So, with that being said, let's go ahead and add some content to the email. What's the principle of the email builder? Well, it's blocks, really. Nothing really too crazy about it, or as we like to call them, columns. You're going to see your logo will be here, so that's pre-coded into the system, and call now business name. These two are fixed. You can take them out if you want. Let's say that we're going to be doing everything from scratch. So you can see we have a column here, right? And every single time, whenever we want to insert something, we want to insert a column first. Let's start with adding an image. And let's say that we want to use this logo up top right here. You don't have to have the image downloaded. It's enough that you click on copy image address and that you click on it. And on the right hand side, image URL, go ahead and set it up. Auto width, we're going to go ahead and just make it a little bit smaller, and we're going to go from there. Now, what do we want to include here? Let's say we want to add another image. Let's use the more images. Let's use the stock photos option here. Let's say that we want to send out something with a positive tone, encouraging someone to do something, right? Now that that is uploaded, we're going to go ahead and delete the container padding. Why am I showing you this in such a way? I want you to understand that you click on something in the middle of the screen, options pop right out on the right hand side, right? And you can see you have the ability to select between the column and between the logo. For example, if you were changing the color on the column, you would change out the entire thing, right? Or you don't even have to do that. You can change it out for only in the middle, the actual content of the email, right? Versus when you click on this, it gives you a little bit different options. You can see that there's no background color and stuff like that. So with that being said, let's say we want to edit this image. Let's say you want to apply some effect. As soon as you click on the image, it gives you the apply effects option right here. And you can go ahead and filter it, resize it, crop it, insert text, shapes, whatever you feel like really, right? Let's say that we want to crop it, make it a square, right? Hit apply and put a nice frame on it. We're going to go with just this basic one. This campaign does not have to make sense design wise, but I really do want to guide you through the different options that the system offers, right? So below the image, let's say we want to insert some text, and again, options are popping up on the right hand side. Do you want to have some color to your text? Do you just want to leave it black? It is totally up to you. So we're going to say, hey there, and merge tags. These are your variables right here. Hey client, hey their first name. We have a message for you. Be happy, right? So let's say that's our message, and we want to center our text, and that's pretty much everything that I would do in this instance, right? Maybe we can say something in the lines of click on the button below to start your journey, right? And what are we going to do? We're going to go ahead and now insert a button, right? And that button can do a lot of things. It can open websites, send out emails, call a phone number. You can set if you want it to be opened up in the same tab or in a new tab. Change the text color, change the background color of the button itself, auto width, make the button wider or more narrow, change the font, obviously. Now, all of that type of stuff is really available to you. You just have to explore it a little bit, right? So what do we want this button to do? Let's say that we want to send them to this campaign, right? Just because I find it handy, right? And the button text, we're going to put something in the lines of click here. And let's say that we even want to add a border, right? Add a border, and we're going to make it black just so it stands out a little bit more. And now, typically in the bottom section of the email, what you want to do is you want to insert another text box, set the font to be 12 or 11, whatever you feel like, and center it. And now we're just going to go ahead and insert some merge tags or variables: business address, business name, let's do business website, and let's do business phone, for example, right? So now this is your template, right? That you can save, and it will be shown on a mobile preview on the right hand side here. Now you can edit the mobile preview as well through our builder, and that is by going back into the uh, builder itself, and you have this little mobile icon right here to see how it looks on mobile devices, which you should really be focused on. So with all of that being said, you can add follow-up emails should you want to the previous one. But really the main thing here is if you're happy with the email that you built, you can go ahead and schedule it. You can go ahead and spread send it if you want, or just blast it all out at once. And once you hit save as a draft, now you have your template that you can just hit the little three dots, hit clone, and name whatever new campaign you want to send out. And the beauty of it is then you would just be going in and editing the template that you already set up for yourself. On the other hand, using a pre-made campaign is much easier, right? Just click on pre-made campaigns, and let's say that you're a spa, right? And it's going to give us some templates for spas, right? Text campaigns, email campaigns, whatever you want. Let's say that we want to grab this template right here. Looks the longest. And we can take a look at it. Do we like it? Do we not like it? Yeah, sure, it could be good fit. Let's go ahead and click get campaign. And what the system is going to do, it's actually going to pull the campaign immediately into our account. And we can just send it out right from there if we want. As you can see, this is what we get. Accept the campaign. And it's going to put us into the builder in just a second here. There we go. And if we like everything, just can add our links, whatever we want, hit update, enter our email subject, select recipients, schedule it, and decide do we want to spread send it or not. And we hit launch. And there you go. That's how the email builder within Referrizer works. It's pretty simple. It's a drag and drop concept. Have fun with it. And if you need anything, please feel free to reach out.